Hi everybody, if you like the video, subscribe, share, and it's a quick one. So we're going down the high street in Fenny Stratford, which is the side of Bletchley, and we're going to a double mini roundabout where we're going to follow the road ahead. So the question that I'm going to ask you is, can you spot the mistake at the double mini roundabout? So here it comes. So did you spot that mistake then? So if I show you again, and I'll just point a few things out. So we're going down the high street. I've mentioned it's a double mini roundabout. Now ahead of us on the left is the sign, the white sign for the double mini roundabout. Now if you look at the sign close up, there's no gap in the middle. There's two roundabouts joined together. So that's the first clue. As we approach the double mini roundabout, we know we're going to go ahead, because I've already mentioned that. It's the same footage. Now if you look beyond it in the distance, there's a black car approaching with his right indicator on. He's going to turn right at the first roundabout. Now I've stopped it here. The two purple circles are the two mini roundabouts. The red circle is the island or the curb. So the black car's gone round the curb rather than the mini roundabout. So you can see it here. It's going to go round the curb. So who's at fault? The driver for going the wrong way, or the council for painting the curb white?